Pure Tassa silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed with zari borders. A very beautiful tri-layer zari border concept with a green pallu, zari lines pallu, and we also have the borders in the pallu. So very elegant green with one side blouse piece having the body color borders. The body color is a bright turmeric yellow, and top portion is plain here, and the lower portion is completely printed using the Pochambali design lotus, and we also have the bird pattern. Very elegantly black, red and green are used for printing, and the borders of the saree is beautiful green. Excellent saree, very attractive color with authentic silk. Pure Tassa silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed. A very beautiful contrast pallu with a 4-layer zari border concept sarees in antique finish saree. It is a elephant black color, not very deep in shade black, it is little lighter black color with body color in the one side border of the pallu. Blouse piece is contrast here, and we have a very different color for the body. Body is very pastel, different shade, something in between grey and brown. Very different color with the borders in black, and we have prints in half white color. Mildly printed, very subtle, beautiful saree in a very different rare color combo. Comes with authentic silk mark. Pure Tassa silk saree, premium quality. Hand block printed with beautiful tri-layer zari border concept. Very elegant deep maroon color, maroon and a burgundy shade color blouse piece with a very different blouse piece here, printed blouse piece on red base with pink color. The pallu is maroon and the printed blouse piece is given in red, and the saree here is very elegant onion peel shade pink with very beautiful design prints. Black, blue and yellow is used for here printing, and the top and bottom we have the borders which is in the base of pallu color. Elegant saree in a very beautiful color combo, and comes with authentic silk mark. The blouse is very different, grabs it. Pure Tassa silk saree, premium quality, tri-layer beautiful zari border concept sarees with a very elegant contrast pallu and blouse piece. Here we have a sea blue color, light blue and green mixed color pallu with zari lines, and same blue blouse piece with one side light green color body color border. The saree here have beautiful color combination. It's a light green, it is yellow and green mixed, very light green with prints completely in royal blue, floral and big pattern, and we also have the pallu color borders in both sides. It's a 4-layer, very elegant border. The combination of the saree is a rare combination with authentic silk mark. Pure Tassa silk saree, premium quality. A tri-layer zari border concept sarees, very elegant and different ones with beautiful deep blue color, a Prussian blue color pallu with zari lines, same blue blouse piece with one side pink borders. The pink and blue are very good combination. Here we have onion peel pink color in the saree. The saree have beautiful prints that is done in purple shade. We have a brush painted design, and we also have block prints, leaf pattern and floral design done using multiple colors, and we have the blue borders which is very elegant. It comes with authentic silk mark. Pure Tassa silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed. Very beautiful tri-layer zari border concept sarees, very different one. In a teal blue color blouse piece, we have a zari lines and borders in the blouse piece and pallu. Blouse piece is plain, the pallu have zari lines. And the saree here is a light pastel green, a very beautiful different green with red and blue used for the prints. All over the maple leaf design, and the lower half we have the twig and flower pattern. The pallu of the saree color is given for the borders also. Elegant one, very different and rare color with authentic silk mark. Pure Tassa silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed with beautiful tri-layer zari border in both sides. Here we have a very different sea blue color, deep blue and green mixed color pallu with zari lines with same color blouse piece, and we have body color in one side border of the blouse piece. The body color is a light brown, almost light skin color with very elegant prints. The prints are done in a kodi and floral pattern with red, blue and green colors, and we have the borders which is in pallu color base. Excellent saree, very different combination with authentic silk. Pure Tassa silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed with beautiful tri-layer zari border concept. A deep brown color pallu, it's almost light maroon tinge brown with same brown color blouse piece. One side grey borders. The saree is in a very different pastel shade, a green and grey mixed color, pastel color with yellow prints in it. Very elegant printing, and we also have blue borders in both sides. with the brown border at the end and the base of the zari borders. Excellent saree in a pastel shade with authentic silk mark. Pure Tassa silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed with a beautiful tri-layer zari border concept. Here we have a grey color pallu with zari lines and printed blouse piece. On grey we have blue prints all over the blouse piece. Very different concept. The saree here is a deep magenta pink with grey prints, peacock design, and we also have the lower half with the village pattern printed. A very different pattern, and we also have the borders which is in grey. Excellent saree with authentic silk mark. Pure Tassa silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed, multi-layered beautiful border design sarees with a contrast pallu and blouse piece. Here we have a turmeric yellow color pallu with beautiful zari lines. The blouse piece of the saree is also in the pallu color, contrast went to the border with one side body color red contrast border. Saree is beautiful bright red color with top and bottom with half white color prints. Beautiful concept printing, both floral and a very different pattern, and we have borders in yellow. Very attractive color with authentic silk mark. Pure Tassa silk saree, premium quality, tri-layer zari border concept sarees with a contrast pallu and blouse. Here we have a very beautiful Tassa rust color pallu with zari lines and same rust color blouse piece. One side we have a royal blue borders. The saree is beautiful dark royal blue with top and bottom rust borders given on the zari border base, and we have pink and yellow used for the printing. Mild and shuttle printing, very simple and beautiful saree with authentic silk mark. Pure Tassa silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed with both sides very beautiful multi-layer concept zari border. Green pallu here with zari lines, same green blouse piece with one side deep beetroot pink color borders. The saree is here deep beetroot pink with top and bottom we have the printed design, butterflies as well as floral pattern printed using blue and yellow. This borders of the saree is also in the pallu color green. Very elegant, different saree with authentic silk mark. Pure Tassa silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed with zari borders. Very beautiful tri-layer zari border, very different collection with a blue color pallu, zari lines and zari borders in the pallu with same blue blouse piece with one side rust color borders. The saree here is beautiful rust color, the top, plain rust, and lower half having green base with the faces design. This is a very famous design, block printed, and we have the blue borders. Extremely different combination saree with authentic silk. Pure Tassa silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed with beautiful tri-layer zari border concept. And here we have a contrast pallu, a pink color pallu with lotus design block prints, and we also have zari lines. Same pink blouse piece. One side we have a blue color border in the blouse piece. The saree is beautiful Ananda blue, light and beautiful shade with all over printed design. Mangoes and Pochambali kind lotus design printed all over using half white, and we have the borders in pink. Excellent combination with authentic silk mark. Pure Tassa silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed with tri-layer zari border concept. Here we have a deep pink color pallu with zari lines and same pink color blouse piece with grey borders one side. The saree is beautiful deep grey with prints in half white. The border of the saree is also in the pink. Excellent concept sarees with authentic silk mark.